On the next Quilt Show, all the way from New Zealand, we are cooking up an inspirational show with the Gourmet Quilter.
SusanClaire Mayfield is a prolific pattern and fabric designer who literally can be found quilting almost anywhere in the world.
Watch this show and experience an appetizer, main course, and dessert offering of tips and tricks that will help you blow through creative blocks and keep you happily stitching.
From a smart way to use your leftovers to how she made a panel come to life.
Plus, SusanClaire says a skitch a day will keep the quilting blues away.
It's like sketching and stitching, so it is sketching.
Okay.
And we're going to be doing some little colouring in with some pencils and some water.
It's a veritable smorgasbord of ideas from the Gourmet Quilter.
Come with an appetite and be ready to learn on the next Quilt Show.